Hello there. Trying not to say good morning just in case my daughter's listening so she can't take the mickey out of me. This is the unveiling time of the exclusive Blacksheepwools Winwick Mum sock box. These are beautiful. You've possibly seen these already. These are the socks that these kits make. There is a blue option and there is a pink option. The kit here contains everything you need to make these socks. So I'm going to show you now how you receive the kit, what it will look like and what's going to be inside. So this is the blue kit, what we've done. Little colour coded sticker on it, makes it a little bit easy for us as well when we identify it. So here you go, here's what's inside. Now, I have a little postcard as you would expect, just telling you all about it. Attached a little bit of blurb from me. And a little bit of information about Christine, Winwick Mum. Now, I'm sure most of you know Christine. She is an incredible sock designer. But just a little bit of background there and a bit of background onto the socks. Why they're called the Adeline Socks. It means of noble rank, a princess. And if you look, these little bits down the front are almost shield-like, which shows that nobility. We also have, on the card, tied on with little ribbon in a pretty bow, a snag-free stitch marker from Fripperies in Bibelot. Now her rings are beautiful because there's no join in the ring, so there's no way they're going to catch on your yarn. And each one, I'm going to show you the pink one in a minute, is colour-coded. So this is obviously the blue box, it's got a beautiful little blue stitch marker. Now on the back, just a little aside from Christine, because Christine talks about all sorts on her blog, gardening, which is why we've given these a bit of a wildflower theme, a bit of baking as well. And so I said, so would you give us a recipe? So she gave us a blueberry and white chocolate muffin recipe, which is on the back here. It's based on a muffin recipe by Susan Rayner, and they are delicious. Look. Here's the muffins. I've tried one. I will be trying one again very soon. They are really delicious. So a little recipe there for you to make once you've made your socks. You then get this beautiful pattern, which is printed. It's a proper pattern. We're not doing photocopied sheets, etc. Beautiful. Really, Christine's patterns are really well explained. So even if you're a relative beginner to socks, this will be easy to do. So you can see the charts on the back. We've made the chart nice and big because one of my big bugbears is when you've got a chart and you like this and you can't see them. So the chart's nice and big. Amy's put this together for us, who does all the video in here, and it is just a beautiful, beautiful pattern. Then we get to the yarn. So as I said, each kit is colour coded. So in here, 2 balls of West Yorkshire Spinners Signature sock in the 2 corresponding colours. You'll open yours a bit more carefully, I'm sure, than I open mine. So we have the Seascape, which is this colour, and then the corresponding colour for the heels. Now, just something to mention, you're using the 2 balls of yarn on this. It is highly likely, almost 100% that you will get 2 pairs of socks out of this yarn. I always hesitate because if you've got size 15 feet and you make the socks longer and they go up your knee, you're not going to get 2 pairs of socks out. But if your socks are this size, you can reverse the colours and you will get 2 pairs of socks out. So just wanted to mention that. We had a bit of a debate today, should we mention it, should we not? But I think it's always good to try and get, each say you have 200 balls, you will get a ball of wool out of 1 pair of this. So there you go. So that's the turquoise colourway. I'm going to show you the pink, which is, if I can open it, I've actually sealed this really too well. I'm going to show you this one first, because it's the same. So I'm not going to open this one up as much, but there you go. Just wanted to show you this. You get the same, but it's all in the pink colourway, and you get the pink stitch marker. Now, you will also have in these boxes this. And you're probably going to think, what on earth is that? What Sara put in this? There is one in each box. This is, I wanted to put a tea bag in. Tea's really important to me. I drink lots of it, and it's important to Christine, and I know that. So I wanted to put a tea bag in. So I was looking for something a bit different. I'm searching around, as you do, Googling wildflower tea. And I got these, which are phenomenal. Now, they look, I've opened this one because they are a little bit difficult to open. Particularly uninspiring when you see them like that. They don't actually look very nice. But you can see this. It is a herbal tea that flowers. It's phenomenal. Now, what really excited me was last night I was watching a film called Marie Antoinette. That was Declan then, who just walked past. Hiya, Dec. If you saw him, yeah. He'll be delighted he's in this video. A flowering tea. Now, I was watching Marie Antoinette last night, a film that I taped over the weekend. Kirsten Dunst, I've been trying to remember the name of the actress in it. Kirsten Dunst is in it. And they had this in it, so I was absolutely fascinated. So this is your flowering tea bulb. You put the little green ball in the bottom of the cup, put hot water on it, and it grows a flower. And it's really drinkable as well. So there are different... You won't necessarily get this one. You're obviously better to do it in a glass so that you can see the actual flowering of it, but you can have it in anything. You just add hot water. It is drinkable. It's very nice. And that's it. You wouldn't believe that that went to that. So that tea and these, you can have a little reward to yourself once you've made the socks.